Welcome to Is Ballet Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to the Ballet Wallet and additional details are provided in the description below. Ballet Wallet is a hardware wallet designed to provide easy, secure storage for your cryptocurrencies. It's ideal for users who prefer a simple offline solution to safeguard their assets without dealing with complicated setups. This wallet stands out because of its physical, non-digital nature, which means it is less vulnerable to online hacks compared to software wallets. One of the key features of Ballet Wallet is its user-friendly, hardware-based design. The wallet comes with a pre-configured private key, meaning it is ready to use right out of the box. All you need to do is load your funds and you're set. No need for software downloads or internet connectivity, making it an excellent option for beginners who may find other wallets too technical or complicated. The wallet supports a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other major altcoins, which makes it versatile for anyone holding different types of assets. When it comes to security, Ballet Wallet takes a robust offline approach. Since it's a hardware wallet, your private keys are stored offline, greatly reducing the risk of online hacks. The wallet is also designed with tamper-evident packaging, ensuring that it hasn't been compromised before it reaches you. Additionally, the wallet's design includes an extra layer of protection in the form of a recovery phrase, which allows you to restore your funds if the wallet is lost or damaged. For users who value both simplicity and security, Ballet Wallet offers a great solution. It's perfect for anyone who wants to safely store their crypto assets without dealing with the complexities of managing a digital wallet. Overall, Ballet Wallet delivers solid security features, ease of use, and a straightforward design that meets the needs of both newcomers and experienced users alike. For more details, check the links in the description below.